Have you ever thought why God left me and chose other people for His blessing? Have you ever thought, why me? Why is everyone else okay and only I am struggling? In life we study, we pray, and we work hard, but sometimes the results are not what we wanted. Repeated failures make us feel hopeless, and we start to ask God why He left us and chose other people for His blessings. But what if those problems are not punishments, but signals to turn us toward a better direction? Once upon a time, a plane crashed in a snowy mountain range. Everyone on board died except one man. He climbed out of the broken plane and saw nothing but endless white mountains. There were no trees, no animals, no people. He searched the plane and found some canned food, but it was only enough for about 1 month. He realized he could not survive there for long. He decided to stay inside the crashed plane to protect himself from the freezing wind. He made a small fire to keep warm. Every day he tried to fix the plane's radio in the cockpit, hoping to contact a rescue team. For many days he tried, but the radio battery finally died. His last hope of calling for help was gone. One day he checked his food again and saw that he had food for only 3 more days. After that, nothing. Scared and tired, he decided to look for help himself. The next morning, he climbed to the top of a nearby mountain to see whether there was any village or road. When he reached the top, he saw only more snow and more mountains. No people, no houses, no hope. Disappointed, he walked back to the crashed plane. He reached the plane after sunset, ate a little, and fell asleep. He was so tired from the long hike that he forgot to turn off the fire inside the plane. Around midnight, the fire grew bigger, and nearby things caught fire too. When the man woke up, the flames had already spread. It was too late. He had no water and no tools to stop the fire. Within a short time, the whole plane was burning. His shelter, his food, his protection, everything turned to ash. Now he was alone, in the open, in freezing weather with no food. He looked up to the sky and cried, "God, why? I was already suffering. Why did you send me another problem?" He cried a lot that night. He thought this was the end. He even wrote a last note for his wife because he believed he would not survive till morning. He wrapped himself in a blanket and lay under the open sky, crying and complaining to God. But at sunrise, he heard a loud noise. He opened his eyes and saw a helicopter above him. He jumped up and waved his hands. The helicopter landed and he quickly got on board. Inside the helicopter, he asked the pilot, "How did you know I was here?" The pilot said, "We saw a big fire last night in the mountains. There is nothing here, so we knew someone must be asking for help. We followed the signal fire and came to rescue you." The man was shocked. The fire that destroyed his only shelter was the same fire that saved his life. What he thought was a disaster was actually a rescue signal. He understood that God had not abandoned him. God had pushed him toward the only thing that could save him. He thanked God and asked for forgiveness for doubting his plan. In the same way, when we face problems, we think, "Why me? Why is everyone else okay and only I am struggling?" But sometimes the fire that burns what you love is the same fire that calls your rescue. When God closes one door, He is not rejecting you. He is guiding you to the door you were supposed to enter. We just don't see it until the right time comes.